Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing with a company called Mariemur. Now I have done a video with Mariemur in the past, but it is a couple of years old now, but I will link that down below in case you would like to check that out. And their pieces are incredible. So for those of you who aren't familiar, this is a lingerie brand and they specialise in all things really. So it's like underwear, the traditional kind of bras, pants, but then they also do a lot of kind of hosiery, stockings, bodysuits, leatherwear as well. So they have quite a variety on their website and it kind of changes as well. So do keep an eye on it, but I will link everything down below as well if you would like to check anything out. But I'm so excited to see what they've sent me because I do believe good underwear makes an outfit so much better, and it's even better if you can wear it with the outfit. So some of those harnesses and leather pieces, I think you can style them into looks and it will actually add to the look and be seen, whereas some of their more beautiful underwear pieces, bit harder to wear as outerwear. I'm sure some of you can manage it, but for me, those ones, you know, I'll know I'm wearing them, but the rest of you probably won't. But they've got beautiful packaging. So they come in these lovely red boxes that say Mariemur on them. But what's lovely about these is they actually are magnetic. So they snap shut, which is perfect because it means you can reuse these for just about anything. You can keep your underwear in them, or you can use them as storage. So you can see these wonderful, very minimalistic shelves around me. I do love to collect things, and so boxes like this are perfect to put my little trinkets in. But let's get started. So I'm going to open up the first one, and their packaging is just beautiful, especially in time for Valentine's Day. If you guys would like to get any special pieces for either yourself or someone special, just how nice is it to receive something like this? It's just like, it feels like my birthday or Christmas or Valentine's Day. Depends how you celebrate. So I'm going to carefully open this. Ooh. And not only are they in this beautiful paper, they then also are put in a bag. It's just also fancy. It's luxury, that's what it is. It feels very just high quality. And then if we go diving in, ooh, what do we have in here? I believe this is one of the bodysuits they sent me. So it's this kind of almost like, it looks like faux leather, but it's not faux leather. It's sparkly. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of like leather effect, but you'd never have to worry about this one going like crumbly or degrading like faux leather does. And it's kind of, how to explain this one? I'm trying to work it out myself. So it's got this nice pinched top to it, just like that. So it's kind of like a halter design. It then has long sleeves that attach around the middle finger. So very, very beautiful. And then the bodysuit, well, how does this work? We have a peephole there, and then it connects into a bodysuit like that. So this one actually, with a pair of jeans or a skirt, could 100% be worn on like a night out or styled as an actual outfit. So that one's actually stylable. And the next things they sent me, so this one's a slightly smaller box. Look how cute that is. Oh, I love it. And again with this, the snap closure. Honestly, these boxes are going to be kept for years and years. Look at what I just opened up to. Can you guys see the velvet? I have a soft spot for velvet. I just love how it feels. Look at this bodysuit. Guys, so it looks like it is a kind of a half cup style bra, but it's actually got a mesh there, so it will be super comfortable to wear. It is underwired, and it also has the sticky stuff at the top here in case you wanted to turn it strapless. So the straps disconnect. Oh, that is so practical. And then it's a mesh body, but it's then lined in velvet. That is stunning. Look at the detailing on that. That is just beautiful. And then it does have an adjustable crutch to it, so it's a bodysuit, so you can wear it 3 different sizes and you can adjust the straps. And I got these in a size small, but I am in love with that one. What is this one called? This is called the Isabel bodysuit, and the first bodysuit you saw is called the Gigi bodysuit. So I think the Isabel bodysuit is my favourite right now. Look how gorgeous that is. And who doesn't love velvet? Love it. Then I also got an underwear set. This one's just kind of like an everyday black bra, but just really simple but really beautiful at the same time. So it's a lovely mesh with a satin finish on it, but I just thought the satin finish, it's so kind of streamlined, that will go under most things. The problem with some lingerie sets is they can be quite bulbous with the designs, whether they're lacy, and they're not practical to actually wear under clothes, whereas something like this is really nice to wear under clothes. And the straps are adjustable, and they actually put the adjustable bit at the front, so it means you can adjust them on yourself really easily rather than having to do some sort of acrobatics act to try and adjust them at the back. Now this set is called the Andrea bra. I can't talk today. Adriana bra. Why was I putting an N in there? Adriana bra. So that's the bra, and I got that in a size small as well. And then it comes with these matching satin pants. Now these ones don't have any mesh, they are just all satin, and it's just kind of a simple thong, but in a nice black shimmer. And again, I got these in a size small. Then the next thing I got, that was a full box, blimey, teeny tiny box, and I had the bodysuit underwear set and a pair of tights. Now I love funky tights, and I have quite a collection. I'm gonna take my ring off before I make any holes in these, because I'm very careful with my tights, but I'm always scared about ruining them. But look at these. I'm obsessed with these lines. How gorgeous are those? And then look, it's got so much detailing. What was that kind of floral bit? Gotta find it now. Where was that detailing? Aha, there it is. Look at that. Wow. Like with jumper dresses like this, I just think a pair of tights like this look stunning. Oh, love those. So I'll pop those on in a moment for you guys. But we do still have one big box to open together, so let's see what's in here. It feels weighty, so I think we've got some leather pieces in here, so let's have a look. Dun dun dun. So I did want to try a leather harness. Now this is because I think styled right, it will jazz up kind of a jumper dress like this. So that's my thinking. So I got this one. Now this is the Marilyn leather harness in a size extra small. So this is one of their staple leather harnesses. They do have quite a few on their website, so do check it out if you like this sort of thing. Now I'm a bit new to all of this, so I have to figure out how to get this on. So I think I have to undo this. So in order to undo it, I have to detag it. So goodbye. Beautiful quality. Like, it really is nicely made. It's not thin or anything. It's very nice, and I love the hardware on it. So, okay. So I'm guessing I just wear it like a rucksack. Let's pop that on. Oh. Try not to get stuck in it. Now the key thing with this sort of stuff, you got to wear it with confidence. If you're going to wear it as part of your outfit, you have to wear it as if it was always meant to be part of your outfit. So, oh, look at the hardware. That is a triple buckle. Look at that. That is stunning. I've never seen a triple buckle before. Even the straps here have this triple buckle design, which I think is so unusual. Now I'm just going to tighten these by one. I feel like I'm starting to look like Tomb Raider, and I'm here for it. Even though I'm a geologist, not an archaeologist, or Angelina Jolie for that matter, but I feel like styled right, this will look really cool with certain outfits. And if it doesn't work with this jumper dress, I was thinking it might look better with black on black, because it might be because I'm styling it with something where it's like really obvious. So perhaps over like a black shirt or a black jumper dress or something simple might be a better way to go. Now I am taking off all my gold pieces because this is very chunky silver, so we're just going to go silver. Now the next thing I'm going to add is the tights. So this was the vision I had in my head, and I think it works. It is quite a statement having like a white jumper dress then with all this kind of black hardware, but I think because I put it around the waist, I kind of dropped it a little bit, it was higher up. I think it looks quite cute having the straps. Only thing I'm not sure on is how it looks from the back. So I'll be watching this back and I think it will tell me if I like it or not, but because of the way the harness is, it's whether it kind of looks like a rucksack or does it look a bit odd from the back. It might look better on a black jumper dress, which I'll have to try another time, but I think from the front, I love the kind of white and black and the silver details, because I could wear it with, you know, like silver earrings. I already changed my hair clip to silver. I think if I styled it right, it works. And then the tights I'm in love with. So they have, I hope you guys can see, they have really cool patterning. So they have this like swirl effect on the inside of the thighs, but then the rest of them is this zigzag effect. So I don't know if you guys can see it. So zigzag, and then around the knee has like a special kind of diamond shape. It's really quite clever, and the way I wear pattern tights, I always style them with a leather boot that comes up to the knee. Now, I do this because I do not trust myself to wear beautiful tights like this with tiny little shoes, because if I'm going to rip a pair of tights, I always rip it around the ankle for some reason. It's just the place I catch it on the most things. Whereas if I wear knee-high boots or this sort of length boot, they last me so long and they're beautiful fitting tights. As looks go, this isn't a bad one. So let me know what you think, but the tights are going to be super easy to style. This is just right up my street. The harness is something new, but I do like a challenge. So let me know what you think, or whether I should maybe be wearing it with a shirt rather than a jumper dress. But I usually wear this jumper dress with like a chunky black leather belt, which is why I had in my head like, the harness would work. But it's very cute nonetheless. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe if you did. As usual, everything is linked down below if you would like to check out any of the pieces, along with Mariemur's website if you would like to just have a browse at what pieces they do, because they are pretty fun. And if you like this sort of stuff, I'm sure you'll enjoy it, so do check it out. I'll also link my other social media down below as well if you'd like to follow me on there. But thank you again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.